In Bible, there are three Greek words are used. The first is eran, erotic love, sexual love between a man and a woman, a boy and girl. Then there is philein, to your dearest and nearest one, you have close feelings towards your friend, towards your relatives, maybe towards your teachers and all. That is philein. Jesus didn't use neither Aaron nor philein. He used the word, it's a Greek translation, is agapan. And what is agapan? Agapan is you love someone irrespective of what he does or she does to you. It is not a feeling. It is an active will. You wish him or her the greatest good. The greatest good. That is agapan. And that's what Jesus used the word when he said, love God, love one another. If we understand the true meaning of love as Jesus told us, then we love everybody. There is no room for groupism. There is no room for disunity.